Hello, my name is Tressie George, a homeowner's insurance attorney. Today I would like to chat with you about 5 things to know about recorded statements. But before I get to that, if you know any homeowners, business owners, or property owners who would find this video useful, please share it with them. Okay, let's chat about 5 things you should know about recorded statements. Number 1, a recorded statement is a question and answer session typically held by the field adjuster handling your insurance claim. The session will be recorded and is usually held in person or over the phone. Number 2, a recorded statement is used by your insurance company to better understand your claim and how your damages were caused. Number 3, your recorded statement will later be written down and transcribed by your insurance company, and the answers you provided them could be used against you in the future. Number 4, depending on the terms of your insurance policy, you may be required to provide your insurance company with a recorded statement. And number 5, you have the right to consult with an attorney before you give any such statement. Now, in the event you are dealing with a denied, delayed, or underpaid insurance claim and you would like to chat about the same, you can schedule a free consultation with me by visiting TressieGeorge.com. And again, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video.